Do you need to backwash a cartridge filter? If you're asking this question, you've probably recently upgraded from a sand filter to a cartridge filter. And the short answer is no, you do not backwash cartridge filters. The cleaning and service cycle for sand filters is different from cartridge filters. A sand filter requires backwashing because essentially it is just a tank of sand, and as dirty water enters one end and clean water leaves the other, there's an accumulation of physical debris that happens. And the backwashing procedure is exactly as it sounds. You run the water backwards through the filter and you evacuate the physical debris. And with a cartridge filter, it doesn't work like that. When the physical debris accumulates to the point that you start to see an increase in the pressure that your system is running at, you must open and physically clean the filters. And that's a two-step process. One is a chemical degreasing, and the other is physically removing the debris that develops between the pleats of the filter. So the short answer is no, you do not backwash cartridge filters. That's something that is unique to sand filters. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can check out my website, swimmingpoolsteve.com.